Hey Lara, good morning.
Good morning, how are you?
I'm good. Do you have
Good.
time for some questions?
Yeah, let's go for it.
Awesome. How do you start your morning on days when you have a shoot?
I love to start my morning early, get up, give myself enough time, and also grab a matcha.
And what do you usually do after a shoot?
The first thing I do is go home and rest and have a red wine.
How would you describe yourself in 3 words?
I would describe myself as creative, loyal, and forward-thinking.
Favorite memory on a shoot?
Favorite memory on a shoot could be the Brooklyn Bridge shoot I did for Hong Kong Tatler, and I just remember it being one of the most inspiring locations, and I just remember coming home and being like, this is why I do what I do.
And what excites you the most about fashion?
Trends, and the fact it's always thinking to the future.
And what's it like being a woman in the industry?
Often frustrating.
Do you have a favorite social media platform?
Instagram.
And how has social media changed how you work?
The need for daily content.
How many emails would you say you send in a week?
Oh, 200.
And what's the most asked question you get from your students?
How do you price your work?
And what's the funniest thing that's ever happened on set?
My lighting kit set on fire.
Oh my gosh. The coolest place you've ever done a shoot?
Hawaii.
How about the best advice you've ever received?
To be patient.
And how has the industry changed since you first started?
It's harder to get noticed.
And what do you look for when choosing your team?
That they could be a good collaborator.
Okay, and what's one thing you have to have on a shoot other than your camera?
A matcha.
And what's the most important thing you want your students to learn from you?
That you have to be constantly working.
And what do most people not know about you?
That I used to be a dancer.
And the biggest lesson you've learned over your career?
That you also have to be good at marketing. It's not just about creativity.
Oh my gosh, this rooftop is amazing. Are you gonna shoot out here?
I am. This is why I chose the studio. Isn't it amazing?
Okay, I have one last question for you.
Yep.
How many matchas are you gonna have today?
At least 10. Got to keep me awake
Awesome.
and inspired.
Thanks, Lara. Have a good shoot.
Thank you. Bye.